The Elements profile page is designed to capture and create comprehensive, well-rounded representations of researchers and faculty members at your organisation, including biographical information about them as individuals, as well as capturing data that relates specifically to their associated research outputs and activities. The profile can be easily accessed here via the Profile tile on the Elements homepage, here via the main Elements menu, or here via the Quick Profile link fixed to the left-hand side of the screen. Let's click in to take a closer look. The information on the profile page can be captured by or entered into Elements in a number of ways, including via one-off imports, via an ongoing data feed from, for example, an existing institutional profile system, as well as being manually entered or enhanced by researchers themselves or by delegates acting on their behalf. The section at the top of the profile can optionally include a profile picture of the researcher, preferred name and pronouns, along with key organisational information including group, position, department, an ORCID ID if applicable, together with institutional email and contact telephone numbers. Below, tabs within the profile are used to group together the output and activity data for the researcher, for example, a summary of their publications, or awarded grants and contracts, which link directly to each item or list of items within Elements to view in more detail if needed. The About tab is where biographical information about the researcher or faculty member can be captured, including a narrative overview about the individual, details about their research interests, and a summary of teaching if applicable. If we scroll down the profile page slightly, we see labels, which can be added to the profile to indicate, for example, researcher availability or particular areas of expertise or specialisms. Labels can be used to classify profiles for reporting purposes, as well as to underpin filtering functionality in Elements' public-facing profile solution, the Discovery module. We also capture experience, including organisation appointments, academic appointments, and non-academic employment. And towards the bottom of the profile, we capture education, including degrees and certifications, language competencies, addresses, including mailing address, and web addresses and social media links, as well as media to capture YouTube video links, which can be displayed and played on the user's public profile in the Discovery module via Discovery's embedded media player. Elements' robust suite of privacy settings, which you can see summarised on Elements' privacy page, ensures that organisations retain full control over the privacy of profile data at all times. With simple configuration, organisations and optionally researchers themselves have the ability to control the privacy of the profile by switching to edit mode at the top of the page and setting the profile privacy to either public or internal. Profiles also support individual field or section level privacy. Options include match the privacy of the section with the profile as a whole, which in this example is public, set the section to internal, meaning that data in the section or field is only visible to fellow users of Elements within your organisation, or private, meaning that the data in the section or field will only be visible to the individual researcher and to a small set of privileged users such as delegates or system administrators. Our up-to-date synchronisation between Elements and the Elements Discovery module that's used to publicly showcase Elements profiles means that if a researcher opts to remove their profile as a whole, or even sections within their profile from public display, with just a couple of clicks and typically within 2 minutes or less, the updated privacy settings will be publicly reflected. It's equally as straightforward for the researcher to switch their profile or sections within it from internal or private back to public, as, when and if desired. Finally, it's also possible for researchers or faculty to generate reports that are specifically designed to incorporate Elements profile data, such as a fully formatted, up-to-date CV, for example. The CV and Reports action at the top of the profile reveals a set of reports that have been shared with a researcher or faculty member and that they have permission to run. Elements ships with a number of out-of-the-box reporting templates, including an out-of-the-box formatted CV template, and authorised users also have the ability to create custom templates too, if desired. With a couple of clicks to select the appropriate CV template, to optionally specify a date range, select the desired format, researchers and faculty can quickly and easily generate a fully formatted, up-to-date CV that reuses the data already captured in the system within a few seconds and with minimal effort. This can then be downloaded, exported, and shared more widely if needed.